5 reasons why are coming up. Boca is a quaint village with convenient water taxis to secluded beaches, plus great fishing, diving, water activities, and traditional Mexican dining on the beach. It fits those desiring a different atmosphere and wanting a special ambiance. Many exciting and enjoyable adventure spots are close by. A less touristy spot, like Boca de Tomatlán, just minutes south of Puerto Vallarta, is a great change of pace. Plus, the village-friendly budget saves many vacation pesos. If desired, shopping and dining in Puerto Vallarta is an easy orange bus ride. For the anti-crowd and non-tour traveler, it's a chance to get the vibe of a traditional fishing village. Everything is an easy walk. It offers a chance to meet the friendly locals who can chuckle your ride in Spanish. Boca is for the busy explorers who need an affordable and comfortable spot to relax and rest. For in-village lodging, La Serena Villa offers warm hacienda-style apartments. There are 2 one-bedroom units and 2 studios. Apartments feature an open floor plan with natural light and seamless connection to large terraces. The outdoor space is a great spot for that morning coffee and fresh pan dulce from the local panaderia. The comfortable sleeping areas are complemented by living room couches for a casual sleeping spot. Modern bathrooms feature large showers. The efficient kitchenettes provide dining flexibility and are great for extended stays. Wi-Fi is included, and TV with Netflix is provided. La Serena Villa apartments are above street level, providing a nice level of privacy, and are located at the east end of the Malecon. They offer nice views of the river as it meets Boca Bay and receive refreshing ocean breezes. Convenience stores and markets provide everything necessary for simple meals. Cerveza and tequila are nearby. Boca's wide selection of seafood is featured at family-operated Palapa Beach restaurants. The beach dining dress code fits toes in the sand munching. Hey, you spill your cerveza, not to worry. In-village casual spots, abundant taco stands, bakeries, and ice cream shops are good for the move-up to flip-flops. Sorry, but gringo tacos, pizza, or Chinese food just isn't possible. For the finer sandal wearer, there are 2 upscale oceanfront restaurants with spectacular views. Noteworthy attractions are just 20 minutes east. Las Farals Canopy Tours provides great adventure with 15 zip lines. They are rated among the best. Vallarta Botanical Gardens is a must to fill your visual senses and enjoy the wonderful fragrances. For a great meal in Riverview, Chico's Paradise is a longtime favorite. Boca offers great fishing in the Bay of Banderas. It is world known for superb angling. Fishing rigged pangas operating from the pier offer affordable inshore fishing. Dorado are often caught close to shore, no long panga ride. Hey, no boat? Great surf fishing abounds. For a closer relationship to the warm and clear water, superb snorkeling and surfing are close by. Los Arcos, a protected marine sanctuary just north of Boca, is a favorite spot. Scuba diving, kayak rentals, and marine wildlife excursions can be arranged by Boca divers. Every beach lover's dream is finding that perfect secluded spot. Boca is the perfect destination for the numerous South Shore beaches. Those special unnamed coves are reachable with panga captains from Rumsey's Tours. Colomitos is the closest South Shore beach to Boca, reachable by trail, but water taxi is quicker and easier. Farther along the coastline are numerous beaches voted among the best in Mexico. Some are void of anything besides sand and crystal clear water. Others have dining spots and activities. Beaches south of Yalapa are for the explorer. They have limited visitors, as an hour-plus ride is required. Add it all up, Boca de Tomatlán is a great hangout for the perfect beach adventure. Often the search is the best part. Just don't tell anyone about that special beach you find. La Serena Villa is a comfortable and convenient headquarters for that toes in the sand beach search.